What's up guys, it's your boy Mark, and in this video I will be going over the Newbies on Fire compensation plan, also 5K a week blueprint guys that I can use with my team. I can help you maximize your earnings and reach $5,000 per the week with Newbies on Fire. But before I do that, if you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also click that bell. Now, one of the first things you need to do is when you become a part of any online business, this is why a lot of people don't make money. They don't write their goals down. You have to write your goals down. And my goal is $5,000 a week, and I want to share with you guys the blueprint on how you could use it too. And you just write your goals down. It's no number is too big, no number is too small. But what you want to make sure that your number is realistic. So I'm going to go through each level and show you how you can make $5,000 for the week. And you will see how many sales that you need to generate and all of that, guys. And we just jump into it. So as you can see here on the screen, guys, you see the 5K blueprint. First level is the starter level. It's a one-time $25 fee plus a $5 admin fee. And what you'll get here is $25 commissions, no monthly fees. And remember, these commissions on every level is instant. You don't have to wait to get paid, and there's no monthly fees on none of the products that you purchase. So if you come in at the starter level, it will take you 40 sales to reach $1,000. So 40 sales a day, guys, is $5,000 for the week. So if you come in at the $25 level, this is quite a challenge. Like I said, no number is too big, no number is too small, but you want your days to be more realistic. The next level is the basic training course. It's $100 plus a one-time $10 admin fee, guys, and you're also eligible to earn $25 commissions along with $100 commissions because you get the starter level for free. And 10 sales a day is what you need to make $1,000. Times 5 days a week is $5,000. 10 sales is not hard to get. You come in at the $100 level and rock it out at 10 sales a day. These are instant payments. You don't have to wait to get paid. Direct deposits to your PayPal, Cash App, Stripe, whatever process you may choose to use. They will be you will be able to get your payments as soon as somebody buys this course for you. The advanced training course level is a one-time $250 plus a one-time $25 fee. You're able to earn $250, $100, and $25 commissions. You only need to sell 4 advanced training courses for the day to reach $1,000. If you're able to do that for 5 days out the week, that's an extra $5,000 for the week. And as you can see, the higher you go up in the company, the less work you have to do. So I would highly recommend that you come in at the elite level, which is a one-time $500 fee plus a one-time $50 admin fee. This will give you all of the other levels for free. Okay, you get all of the other levels for free, so you're able to earn not only $500 commissions, $250, $100, and $25 commissions, and you only need 2 elite sales for the day to make $1,000. Now I want to start right here. I want you to imagine making multiple $500 commissions while doing whatever that you like to do, while you're on vacation, while you're babysitting, while you're with your kids, while you're out having fun with your loved one. You could be making multiple $500 commissions. So don't think that people will not buy these courses. There are so many people that spend thousands and thousands of dollars on courses when you can get this one for a one-time affordable fee and no monthly fees, and you can earn from this course for a lifetime. So 2 sales a day is $1,000, and $1,000 times 5 days is $5,000. So I highly recommend that you come in at the elite course level. Don't worry about if you're not going to make your money back or not. If you come into business thinking that type of way, you're setting yourself up for failure already. You have to know, okay, I put this much money into this business. I'm starting my own online business, so I have to make this work. That you should know is a 2 reverse system up. Okay, so after your first sale, you make your first sale, that sale goes to you, you get your money back. Your second sale get passed up, Your third sale come to you. Your fourth sale get passed up. And your fifth sale and on out is yours to keep for a lifetime. There's no more passing up. This whole business is designed for you to win and your team to win. So everybody wins in this company, and you could be getting a $500 payment because one of your team members is doing good in the company. Second and fourth sale comes to you. So this system is amazing. I just want to share with you the 5K blueprint and how do you promote this. Okay, and what you want to do is take this this company. You could take your capture pages. They give you done for you websites. They give you, marketing tools that you could use. All I would do, guys, is promote this business into my email list. And let me show you how many people that I have in my email list right now currently. I have 944 people that I can send this offer out to. And when it comes to this marketing, guys, it's nothing but a numbers game. And what I am using right now for my leads is called My Leads Gen Secret. This is what I use. This allows you to get 100 leads every single day. Okay, no matter what, 100 leads every single day. That's 3,000 leads for the month. And I just started and I already have 300 leads. And what we could do is we could go here and we could message all of these leads, and I could send out an email with my offer inside of this lead with one click of a button and send out all of my offers to this list. Buy from me through email marketing. So that's how you can promote and earn those $500 commissions. We also have Facebook, Craigslist, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, TikTok. You have all of these things that you could use to maximize your earnings and make $500 to $1,000 per day. Now, whatever level you can come in at, guys, just get started at whatever level. Elite level is really what we want to mainly focus on, so you can reach 5K in 5 days. And that's basically the blueprint. You can look back over this video, do your calculations. If you want to change your weekly goal, you can. This is just a 5K a week blueprint. Like I said, you can make your goal bigger or you can make your goal smaller. A lot of people might look at my goal and think it's small, but $5,000 a week will allow you to navigate through life better. Eliminate your 9-to-5 job. It will allow you to free up a lot of time and a lot of space that you could use to better yourself and do a lot of the things that you want to do. So if you like this content, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It will be some information below on Newbies on Fire that you can check it out. Go ahead and get started. Now also, if you're a part of any other network marketing platform and you need leads, my lead gen system information below as well. You can go ahead and get started with that. So if you like this content, make sure you like and subscribe. And other than that, I'm out.